Hey, what's going on? I hope that you're all doing well, that you're having a beautiful time. I want to show you more about my art because currently I'm not so active on this channel and I want to dedicate this channel just to my art. So, welcome here. And I want to show you some of my paintings. I showed you some of them before, but let's go more into details. So this one here is a hand with the butterfly, which represents kinda awakening. You know, when we are like downloading new informations, new data. For example, when we are meditating, we are like downloading new informations and then we are grounding them. And the name of this painting is Grounded. So we are grounding new knowledge and we can only do it through experiences. So when we are experiencing life, we are going through different challenges, that's when we are actually grounding new knowledge, new wisdom. And like each of my paintings holds its own story, and probably I could make a video for each painting. So let me know what you think about it. I could explain like all my paintings, but it would be better to make just one video for each painting to talk more about its meaning. So yes, I have like almost all my paintings here. This one is interesting. It was created way before it's all pandemic started with everything, and it's like hands from the sky are saving our planet from the plastic bag, from all the garbage that we as human beings have created here on this beautiful planet. And I think it's like a great reminder that actually we need to create a change. We need to do something about what is happening, and each of us, like each individual, is can be a part of these hands here. So I think this one is really powerful painting, and like maybe we could think about a little bit what each individual right now can apply, what kind of changes each individual right now at this moments that we are facing with different things in lives, what we can apply so we will add a change, we will create a change. And here this one is also interesting. This one is a heart, and it represents like a melody of a heart when we are like synchronizing, you know, or awakening those good positive emotions. We are experiencing this kind of a feeling, a melody. Our heart is singing in those good vibes, and it's an amazing feeling. So here I'm working on this big painting, but I will show you more about it when it will be finished. What about this one? You can write in the comments below what you think about this painting here, because this one is so illusional. It was created with the purpose that each individual which is looking into that painting can find his or her own story. Here we can find a guy who is chilling on the cliff, meditating, and his mind is wondering what is inside of the sky or looking through the sky into the universe. So interesting. Here is the sea and dolphins and things like that. So interesting. So for now this is it. This is just a short video, so I want to ask you if you would like to see more of the explanations of my art, and just let me know what you think. I will post more videos like that here on this channel, so yes, see you there. Have a beautiful day, my friends. Peace.